O jobni je notification khamo Government of Tripura Animal Research Development Department ni bisingti je ira supervisor and data entry operator lajaknai ira rijak tongo supervisor ni bagai post songkha 35 and data entry operator ni bagai je post songkha 42 ga tongo o job ongkha 1 year temporary e job ni bagai je sin tamo document nangnai bana surijak tongo ira all original document nangnai sara tested khaijak document nangnai obri leke one passport size photograph submit khlaina nangnai ira surijak tongo candidate kaisa post ni bagai interview rwmana hinui abni leke 9 number surijak tongo covid guidelines no follow khaithai tini e job ni rwni bagai chini main nango education qualification tei post narinai ira rijak tongo name of the post ongkha supervisor ni post tongo ira 35 ta tongo age limit ongkha ira government ni rules anusarai rijak tongo salary ongkha ira 15,000 rijaknai tabra education qualification ongkha ira class 12 pass nangnai with computer knowledge certificate khajak nangnai obni olokhe ira smartphone chaloknani bagai experience dongna nangnai and driving license nangnai 2 number post ni mung ongkha je data entry operator post tongo ira 42 ta tongo age limit ongkha same no te salary process ongkha ira 12,000 rijaknai tai ira education qualification nangnai class 12 pass khlaijak nangnai with computer knowledge and certificate nangnai te ira rijak tongo smartphone chalona bai experience dongna nangnai hinui e job ni bagai norok je interview rwnai thangkhe saka o suijak tongo conference hall directorate ARDD PN complex Agartala thangui maranai oro district wise rijak tongo bo district o busukta post lajaknai tei bo date lajaknai tei time rijak tongo narai nainai ledi ira 8 ta district ni bagai 8 ta date rijak tongo tei district kaisa o supervisor kaisa lanai data entry kaisa lajanai suirijak tongo tei norok poinai ledi ira o job ni bagai je application ba interview rwna thangkhe chini kaisa application format form fill up khlaiui tei document submit ma khlainai to application format ongkha omo o application no capital letter bai fill up ma khlainai tei ira certificate rijak tongo je interview rwna thangnai oboni photo ma rirwnai oboni olokhe iro capital letter bai no form fill up ma khlainai ira rijak tongo jem name father name residential address contact number date of birth tei education qualification nini busuk qualification to obono jotono suimarwnai obri olokhe 7 number qualification of computer application o computer no bo tamo course khlaikha o course no ira suimarwnai tei computer course ni certificate bo nangnai signature kaisa rwgui application iri signature kaisa marwnai obonikhe date marwnai place hingkhe Agartala no marui rwnai to friends norok tinini je job notification nugui mankhana tei o job no rwna hinkhe norok ira district wise date rijak tongo tei norok bo district ni naiui date ni mote thai rwlai di tei omo hai job ni bagai notification naina mujungkhe haste ni job channel subscribe khlai di tei kwtal job ni notification naina bagui video naina bagui jotono hambai।